Hi everyone, welcome. So this is not the kind of videos I create on this channel. I'm kind of having a walk. I'm going back home, and yeah, I'm in the village just like you see right here. I'm surrounded by these beautiful trees, and it's kind of a swamp out here. So back to what I wanted to say. This is not the kind of videos I make on this YouTube channel, but I just wanted to talk about the fact that I've been having a huge burnout. I haven't been that constructive for the previous month or previous 2 months. I don't know how long it has been, honestly. But I want to say that I have a lot of videos that are coming up, and I'm going to resume uploading. The thing is, I've been facing it difficult. I've been having a really hard time creating videos of late. I've been busy and I've been trying to do this, do that, and yeah, been exploring, been learning, and I have some great content that is coming. I've also been creating a Python course that will be for beginners and those who want to refresh their knowledge in the Python programming language. I'm really excited to release that because it's something that has really taken me time, and it's something that I've really organized and scripted in a way that will be very useful to all my dear viewers. So I hope you're all doing great. I hope you all taking care of yourselves, and I want to thank you guys for 4,000 subscribers. It's not something that I expected to get to in my first year of doing YouTube. I'm going to make my second year on March 16th, and I'd like to say that I appreciate all of you guys who subscribe, everyone who comments, everyone who likes, dislikes. I mean, I'm just a normal guy who does YouTube videos, and yeah, I'm really glad that the channel has got this far, and yeah, we hope for the best to come. But I just wanted to share what has been going on in my life, and yeah, that's what has been going on. I hope to upload very soon. All right guys, see you in the next video. Bye, take care.